Linking your bank account to Twitter can enhance your experience by allowing for seamless transactions and interactions. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open Twitter app. Launch the Twitter app on your mobile device or visit the Twitter website on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to your profile icon or the menu. Look for the settings and privacy option and click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find payment options. In the settings menu, locate the payment and billing section. This is where you will manage your payment methods and link your bank account. Step 4. Add bank accounts. Select the option to add a new payment method. Choose bank account from the available options and enter your bank details as prompted, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Verify your account. After entering your bank information, Twitter may require you to verify the account. Follow the instructions provided, which may include confirming small transactions made to your bank account. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your Twitter account. Enjoy the enhanced features and functionalities that come with this integration.